Hello! In this video we will explain how to install a centrifuge, 380R in this case. First of all, you need to plug the power cable on the side of the centrifuge. Then turn it on using the main switch. Wait a few seconds for the centrifuge to start. Here it is. Now you can open the lid using stop open button. And we now have access to the inside of the centrifuge. Now that we have access to the inside, we need to remove the 3 bolts protecting the motor during the transportation. First of all, we need to remove the plastic cover with the 4 screws here using this screwdriver. Please keep the screws, we need it later. Now I can remove the plastic cover, which is upside down. And also the rubber gasket, which is also upside down. And I now have access to the transportation bolts. There is 3 of them, one here, here, and here. So you have to remove them using this tool. When removing the bolts, please ensure to remove the spacer, this black plastic cover. Last one. With a spacer. Now that the bolts are removed, we can install again the rubber gasket, which is just like a joint. So it has to be inserted between the motor space underneath and the chamber. So this part here underneath the chamber and this part above the chamber. You can notice a hole right there. That's for the sensor with the cables, so pay attention to place it correctly. And now I'm inserting the joint underneath the chamber. It's a little tricky, so take your time. So now it's sealed between the motor and the chamber. And you can now place back the plastic cover. So again, 4 screws. Now please put a little bit of grease on the motor axis, just a little. And you can now insert the main rotor. There's a space for the insertion, so pay attention to the axis and to this slot. And now you can fix it using this tool. It's the same one as for the transportation bolt. Again, please put a little grease on these parts of the rotor. That's where you're gonna put the buckets. So just a little everywhere. And rub it with your hands. And you can now use the buckets. So I just got 2. And you're all set.